हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ इंडिगो एयरलाइंस में रिसेंटली जो कैबिन क्रू इंटरव्यूज कंडक्ट किए थे इन द मंथ ऑफ सितंबर 2024 में। उन सारे इंटरव्यूज से रिलेटेड मैंने बहुत सारे और क्वेश्चंस गैदर किए हैं उन लोगों से जो लोगों ने रिसेंटली इंटरव्यूज में पार्ट लिया था या अटेंड किए थे इंटरव्यूज। उन सारे क्वेश्चंस के मैं आपके साथ सैम्पल आंसर्स इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करूंगी। सारे क्वेश्चंस के जैसे कि मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ सैम्पल आंसर्स डिस्कस नहीं करूंगी जस्ट टू सेव योर टाइम एंड टू सेव माय टाइम। दोज क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स आई विल डिस्कस जो कि थोड़े अलग है या रिपीटेटिव नहीं है, वो सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगी इस वीडियो में। मैंने इसी मंथ और भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस गैदर किए थे इंडिगो एयरलाइंस के कैबिन क्रू इंटरव्यू से रिलेटेड, उसका एक पार्ट 1 वीडियो भी मैंने बना रखा है। अगर आप आगे इन द नियर फ्यूचर इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हैं तो पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 दोनों देख के जाइएगा, तो इट विल हेल्प यू टू प्रिपेयर फॉर योर इंटरव्यू इन अ बेटर वे। ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। मेरा नाम है रचना एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। ओके, सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज योर फेवरेट कलर एंड व्हाई। Well, if I had to answer this question, I would say my most favorite color is blue. I think it gives me a sense of calmness whenever I look at the color blue, just like when I look at the blue sky up in the air, I feel a sense of calmness. I feel a sense of peace in my mind or within me. That is one of the reasons why I like the color blue, and that's also one of the reasons why it is my favorite color. तो आप ऐसे कोई ना कोई अच्छे एग्जाम्पल्स दो कि आपका कोई भी फेवरेट कलर क्यों है। लेट्स से योर फेवरेट कलर इज वाइट, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट पीस, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट calmness. Let's say your favorite color is red, you can talk about it makes you feel energetic. Let's say your favorite color is pink, it makes you feel as bright and as cheerful as ever. Yellow also you can say it makes you feel very cheerful. तो ऐसे सब कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स आप दे सकते हो रिलेटिंग टू द कलर। जितना ब्राइट है तो ब्राइटनेस के बारे में बात करो, चीयरफुलनेस के बारे में बात करो। इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सटल कलर्स, टॉक अबाउट कामनेस, टॉक अबाउट हाउ सूदिंग इट इज। इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कलर्स, हॉट कलर्स like red, talk about energy, talk about activeness, talk about activities. So ऐसे सब आप बात कर सकते हो to quote an example. ठीक है, next question is what is the difference between friends and family? I think family is or are the set of people who God chooses on your behalf, and friends are the people who you get to choose when you come into this world. And I feel the only difference is that somewhere when I compare family and friends is family is or are the people where you belong or they give you a sense of belonging. However, when it comes to friends, over a period of time you share or you have the flexibility to share your ideas and experiences of life with them. So I think this is the only difference between family and friends. Next question is talk about your family. ये एक सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी क्वेश्चन है। आप अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं, आप उनके अच्छे जो चीज़ें हैं, जो चीज़ें आपको इंस्पायर करती है उनके बारे में, उसके बारे में बात कर सकते हैं। तो remember कि if you're describing or introducing your family, talk about the good parts about your family. If your father or your mother, or let's say your mother is a homemaker, talk about how much of hard work or effort she has put into making you. Talk about your father being a hard-working person. Talk about your siblings helping you throughout. If somebody is elder to you, how they have supported you throughout your journey of being a student to today when you're looking for jobs. How you support your younger siblings. So talk about these parts when you're talking about your family. Okay. Next question is talk about one memorable day of your life. Again, this is self-explanatory question. Whenever you answer a question like this, remember कि कुछ productive चीज या कुछ conclusion उस memorable day से अगर बाहर आ रहा है तो it is the best. ठीक है, why was it memorable? What was the best thing that happened in that day? वैसा अगर आप कुछ अच्छा thought process अपने बारे में या अपनी life से related बता पाओगे तो it will sound very good and it will be one of the best answers that you can give. Next question is how do you think technology will change in future? I think just like how present or in the present days we go to different cities or different countries for a vacation, I think it's not going to be too long when people will talk about going on vacation to the space or going on vacation to the moon and coming back. So I think technology is vastly expanding. It is growing every day. It is growing in our lives. It is making us grow. But however, the only concern I have that as human beings, because we are coexisting, we are sharing our planet with a lot of other living things. While we are thinking of vacationing on the moon and back, we should not be forgetting about sustainability. We should not be forgetting about coexisting, cohabiting. And that's the only thing that I would like to say about the changing technology of the future. Next question is, how did you prepare for this interview? Again, self-explanatory question है. 3 चीजें हमेशा याद रखना about you researching about the airline, you researching about the job role, and you preparing your documents, your outfit, your whole preparation for yourself, जो आपने करी है इंटरव्यू से रिलेटेड वो. ठीक है, तो 3 चीजें आप जरूर इंक्लूड करना अपने आंसर में कि आपने यू वेंट थ्रू द कंपनीज विजन, मिशन, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. यू ऑल्सो वेंट थ्रू द जॉब रोल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, बिकॉज अगर आप एक कैबिन क्रू के जॉब रोल के लिए जा रहे हो, आपको उसके रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, आपने अपने सारे प्रिपरेशन किए, डॉक्यूमेंट्स का चेक किया, एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया चेक किया, कंपनी का सारी चीजें चेक करी, देन यू प्रिपेयर्ड प्रॉपर्ली फॉर द इंटरव्यू एंड हियर यू आर टुडे इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, टेल मी वेयर यू नीड टू इम्प्रूव. अगर आपसे ऐसा कोई सवाल किया जाए कि व्हाट डू यू थिंक यू शुड वर्क ऑन, व्हाट इज योर वीकनेस, वेयर शुड यू इम्प्रूव, तो ये सारी चीजें क्या है, आप अपना कोई एक नेगेटिव ट्रेट बताने वाले हो. जैसे कि मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, वीकनेस बोल रहे हो तो एंड इट ऑन अ पॉजिटिव नोट कि ये आपको पता है, यू ऑलरेडी नो कि दिस इज योर वीकनेस, यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट दिस इज अ नेगेटिव ट्रेट इन यू एंड यू आर वर्किंग टूवर्ड्स द बेटरमेंट. ठीक है. So if somebody asks me, tell me where you need to improve, I would say that I am a bit of an overthinker, and this can lead me not to complete my tasks over a period of time, because when I get stuck in a particular topic, I keep thinking over it and the remaining tasks just remain unfinished. And I've recognized this problem, I've realized this problem, that over a period of time, neither is it going to help me prosper, neither is it productive for me, nor is it helping me solve the problem that I'm overthinking on. So the best thing that I do to overcome this problem of mine, or to overcome this trait of mine, is I have a to-do plan for every single day, and I make sure that I follow my plan, because I know that if I'm spending too much time on a particular thing, then the remaining tasks will remain unfinished. And I do not want that. I want to finish all my tasks on time. I do not want to overthink or overspend too much time on a particular thing where I'm not getting a solution. So this is one trait that I have, and this is where I am putting constant efforts in improving myself. Next question is, how do you think flexibility will help you as a cabin crew member? Well, a cabin crew's job role is an ever-changing environment. No 2 days are the same. No 2 flights are the same. No 2 colleagues are the same. Every single day you encounter new people. Every single day you encounter new passengers, new colleagues, new aircraft, new destination, new weather changes, new conditions, new situations. So, especially for a cabin crew's job role, flexibility should be on the topmost priority of a cabin crew's duties or responsibilities or requirements to be a cabin crew. And I think it is important, that's why, to be flexible. It is important to be adaptable, because everything is different, everything is ever changing, everything is constantly changing, and it is important to be flexible. It is important to accept the situations as and when it comes, and it is important to live in the moment, especially for the job role of a cabin crew. And that's why I think it is important to be flexible as a cabin crew. Next question is, how do you handle a difficult situation? So ये एक सीनियर की तरफ से एक टिप ही मान लो. इन रियल लाइफ ऑल्सो जो भी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशंस आपकी जिंदगी में आते हैं, 3 ही चीजें हमेशा करनी है. ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, रिमेन काम, कीप योर सेल्फ काम, assess the situation, understand the situation. ठीक है. समझो कि इसके क्या क्या repercussions हो सकते हैं, अच्छी चीज़ें क्या है, बुरी चीज़ें क्या है, क्या क्या चीज़ें हो सकती है आगे इसमें. ठीक है. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, जो भी चीज़ें हो गई है, जो चीज़ें अनडन थी, कंप्लीट हो गई है, खराब हो गई है, अच्छी हो गई है, जो भी सिचुएशन हुआ है, असेस करने के बाद आपको जो भी लगता है उस सिचुएशन के बारे में, look for a solution. How will you make it better? How will you get out of the situation? How will you improve the situation? तीन ही चीज़ें हमेशा ज़िंदगी में करनी होती है. So even in terms of this interview, or if anybody asks you this question, what will you do? First of all, it is important to remain calm. When you are a calm person, or when you have a calm attitude, you can think better, you can understand better, you can analyze things better, right? So you'll be able to assess the situation better. You will be able to understand the pros and cons of a situation. When you understand the pros and cons of a situation, you'll be able to understand how you should act on it. When you know how to act on it, you will definitely get a solution to the problem, right? So when you have a solution, you are sorted. You don't have to worry about anything. You've already found a solution to the problem, and that's it. You're done. That is how you react to any situation which is difficult. That is how one must act to any situation in life also when you face a difficult situation. So this would be my answer. Next question is difficulties of being a cabin crew. I think something that is the most difficult part of being a cabin crew, out of experience if I have to state, is sometimes there are days when you're not in the best of your moods, you're not in the best of your mind space, but the show must go on, like they say. You're standing in front of people, you're smiling, and from inside maybe you're not in the best of your mood, right? However, it is not just a difficulty in a cabin crew's job role. Every job role has some kind of limitations. Every job role comes with some kind of hurdles, and somewhere I believe that every job role personnel or every professional does encounter this kind of a situation at least once in their life. A cabin crew experiences it more because it's a customer facing job role. However, other corporates or other work professionals are no different. They also do face it, and it's all part and parcel of life. However, how you look at it matters, and I look at it in this perspective that you should be in the moment, live the life in the moment, take things as it comes, and be positive. That's it. So these are some of the difficulties of being a cabin crew in my understanding. आज के इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. अगर आपने भी किसी भी एयरलाइन इंटरव्यू में पार्ट लिया है, अटेंड किया है, आपको किसी भी सैम्पल आंसर की कोई भी असिस्टेंस चाहिए होगी, तो फील फ्री टू राइट इट टू मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. कोई भी और डाउट्स अगर आपको है इंटरव्यू से रिलेटेड, जॉब रोल से रिलेटेड, फील फ्री टू राइट दैट टू मी ऑल्सो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. अगर मेरे को उस डाउट के बारे में आंसर पता होगा तो मैं आपको ज़रूर रिप्लाई करूँगी टू द बेस्ट ऑफ माई नॉलेज. अगर मुझे उसके बारे में नहीं पता होगा तो मैं आपको वो भी बोल दूँगी कि मुझे इसके बारे में जवाब नहीं पता है, इसका जवाब नहीं आता है. फॉर मोर फ्यूचर कैबिन क्रू इंटरव्यूज़, जॉब रिलेटेड कॉन्टेंट के लिए स्टे ट्यून. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर टाइम एंड गुड बाय.